I appreciate every single one of you guys. First time the Mustang's on a tow truck. Lucky me. We are officially back on E85. I already checked everything on under the hood. Everything is totally fine. It's literally just a transmission on something down there. So lucky me. I'll have to figure out and wait for a tow truck. Welcome back, you beautiful individuals. This video is, I think, part 9 of the boosted big single turbo swap. I don't know what it is, but I picked up the camera because we are finally switching to E85. So that means we can finally hit the 500 horsepower number plus. So I don't normally film in my room, but I got the tune, so I kind of want to show you guys how to do it, and with my SCT and stuff like that. Or do you think it's too boring? So basically, not to bore you guys, but you just plug it straight into a USB. You go to this file that they send you, and then my tuner sent me that file right there, ports E85, and once when it's done, we can unplug it, plug it back into the car, and then we go fast and hit 12 psi of boost and blow up the car. First time the Mustang's on a tow truck. Lucky me. Alright, open. We back into the shop. There she is. Alright, so we're in the car now. All we gotta do is load her up. So to give you guys a brief little update about the Starlight headliner. So 1, it's holding up. 2, I had to put magnets out in the back right here because this was like sagging all the way down there. So I put magnets there, it's holding perfectly. And then on the sides too, I don't know if you guys remember, I talked about it a little bit. This right here was sagging really bad. Put 2 magnets, one right here and another one right there. And now it holds up perfectly. Like it just, oh, butter. So anyways, all we gotta do is just cycle on the car. So it does this, and then we are going to program the vehicle now. I'll bore you guys with this because this is something that takes like 10 minutes. So I'm just gonna pick up the camera after it's all done and we're gonna start it for the first time. Here we go, we are loading it up. So now we just chill here and wait until that is 100%. All right, so we are ready to turn it on for the first time. First time on E85, back on E85. Car's gonna freak out for a little bit until it figures stuff out. Another thing I want to point out is right here my ethanol sensor, it is just climbing because the E85 is finally going through the fuel lines. So soon this should read around 79 to like 83-ish. Once when it starts reading right on that percentage, then my car, I'll shut it off and then my car should start running way better. All right, the car is purring and it's sitting right at 1 and 1. So it's like perfectly of what it needs to be. This is the content that it started reading at, and it only filled me up basically almost half a tank. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm probably gonna start it off, take my 5-gallon gas tank I have, go get it more E85, come back, fill it up. We are officially back on E85 and I'm so excited to finally do my first pool on E85. So for now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the camera down, I'm gonna go do all those errands and then pick you guys back up. Sorry to pause the video right now, but I wanted to give a big shout out to today's sponsor being KamenovRauto.com. When you head over to KamenovRauto.com, this is how the website looks like. What's cool about this website is that when you are looking at the shirt that you want to buy, you can also choose the color that you want, and it generates of how the shirt would actually look like. In designing this website, I really want to help out those people that are undecisive when it comes to colors, because that is me. So this website generates all of that and it helps you choose. Appreciate every single one of you guys, and let's get right back to the video. All right, so I got you guys on the tripod right here. So let's go ahead and take her out and see what she does. Right here, and then start data logging again. All right, now it's just time to roll through the gears. Alright, well there's that, the tune's done, so now we just save it and we're good to go. Alright, well, so it seems like everything is checking out good. See how this is right here. hear the smacking? Alright. Now we are back home. Car ran perfectly. Oh, it is running perfect. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. So that right there, that drive that I did, the couple pulls, that's all I really can do right now. Hence why I'm not wearing my GoPro. If we're doing some crazy like accelerations, I would definitely put on my GoPro. But this car, it feels a lot more power with the E85. So if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and if you could believe it, you can achieve it. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I appreciate every single one of you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. See ya. Alright, so I'm out here in the middle of the road because my car ended up breaking down. I was doing a second gear pull and the car literally, I felt the transmission slip. So now I'm stuck out here at a gas station waiting for a tow truck. Alright, so this is what it's doing when I go to vehicle functions and I read DTC code. This code right here, so gear 1 incorrect ratio. So that brings me to say that it's a torque, or it's the torque converter in my transmission, or my transmission just took a shit. What's super strange too is that the car turns on perfectly fine, and then if you see right here, so if I put it into S and then I shift to gears, everything pops up fine, but then look what happens. Yeah, see service manual. I already checked everything on under the hood. Everything is totally fine. No fluids, no nothing. It's literally just a transmission, so it has to be an internal thing. It spun something down there. So lucky me. Now I have to figure out and wait for a tow truck.